Some people say, I can understand English but I cannot speak. Friends, can you understand what reason may be behind this issue? In my opinion, the main reason is that lack of interest. Yes, friends, if you are not interested towards any skill, then you cannot learn that skill. Yes, my friends, interest matters a lot. If you are attached towards any skill, so definitely within couple of days you will learn that skill. In case of learning English language, really interest matters a lot. I have heard speaking many people, I'm not interested towards this language, so I think like what is the use of learning this language, what is the use of speaking this language? So this is the main reason, my friends. And another reason is that lack of confidence. Yes, my friends, lack of confidence. We people always keep thinking like whenever we are going to talk to someone in English language, definitely we will make mistake and people are going to like judge us, they are going to criticize us, they are going to like fun of us, making fun of us. So all these things are there in our mind, and that's why we have lack of confidence. So this is the another reason. And friends, lack of practice. We never practice of speaking, we only keep listening and reading. So we don't have to pay a lot amount of like focus towards listening and reading. But when it comes to speaking the language, we have to very like alert towards that activity, we have to very focus towards that activity, and we have to pay attention, we have to pay a huge amount of time towards speaking. And it takes us a lot of effort towards this activity, because we have to what do you say, like express our thoughts in words. We have to articulate our thoughts in words and sentences. That's why this activity seems to everyone very tough, and that's why they skip this activity, and this is the reason they are not able to speak. They only understand and they cannot speak. So my friend, here what I want to say, if you really want to speak this language, so don't get demotivated. Definitely you can learn this language, because you are one step ahead towards those people who don't understand this language. But here in your case, you understand this language, you have to only speak this language. So just on the daily basis, start speaking this language. Try to speak in English with your family members as well as with your friends. Whenever you go outside, whenever you meet someone like strangers, don't get hesitant while speaking, just start speaking. And always think in your mind that mistake is a part of a learning process. If you are making mistake, if you are making some mistake, and the person recipient whom you are talking, if they are laughing at you, so just ask question like, what mistake I have made, please tell me, because I want to correct. So definitely that if that person is very humble, gentle, definitely he will tell you what mistake you have did. So there is no embarrassment. Okay, you can ask, and that's how you will improve your communication skill. This is the process, friends. Mistake is a part of our learning process, so don't worry about making mistake. Embrace your mistake and learn from those mistakes. Okay, and always keep motivating yourself like, I can, I will, because motivation matters a lot. If you don't motivate yourself, within couple of days you will get demotivated. Okay, because I have heard many people saying, हमके कहाँ सीखेगा भाई लैंग्वेज, ये लैंग्वेज हमके कहाँ हुई. सो इट रियली मैटर्स अ लॉट. यदि आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उस लैंग्वेज से, अगर आपको उस लैंग्वेज का कोई भी महत्व नहीं पता है, तो डेफिनेटली कोई कितना भी कह ले, आप उस भाषा को नहीं सीखेंगे. अगर आपको महत्व पता है, इफ़ यू नो द इम्पोर्टेंस, लाइक सपोज दैट यू आर होम मेकर and if you learn this language, so not only you speak at your home in English, but also whenever you go for parents meeting, you will speak fluently in English. So there is a huge benefit of learning this language. So just keep learning this language, and let's see what improvement you are doing in your learning process.